Kybella is a hot topic out there. Allergan paid over $2 billion to buy the product.
So it's deoxycholic acid, which is a naturally occurring in our gallbladder. So it helps to emulsify fats when we eat them, but now we inject it and it dissolves anything it touches. They don't want to see that double chin from the front. And when they see themselves in their profile, they don't want to see that submental fullness on the side. Normally, I'd like to start with 2 to 4 vials of Kybella, and then you can taper it down. So I always like to talk about post-care with Kybella because it does have some swelling. Like with these patients, I think it's really important to use the cannula because they're just going to be so much happier with their results.
So it came on the market aimed at the fat in the double chin, right?
Yes.
And now I think they're looking to get FDA approvals in other body parts, right?
Yes.
They're working that.
Yeah, anywhere that you can pinch fat, it's a great spot for Kybella.